Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. Market opens up here in less than a minute. I will try to capture some of my trades live as they unfold. I will keep you updated. Okay, just have a quick little order out there at 14.70 to kind of test the market here a little bit. So I will see if it pulls back and gets me filled or not. But I mean, this is a massive gap down. So I think there'd be at least some sort of little bounce here, but we shall see. I will keep you updated. Going for some shares here, short there at 15.20. We'll look to cover those at 15.10. I will keep you posted. Okay, getting close to potentially filling me here. 300 filled and out there for a quick little 10-cent move. Let's see if I can capture some more trades. All right, sorry about that. I was checking out another stock. And, you know, that's one benefit about fishing orders when you just put them out there and then all of a sudden if you see you get filled. But I had a fishing order out there to short at 15.50 for 500 shares, and then I covered 300 at 15.35 and then the next 200 at 15.27. So I'm up 141 now on the day. Let's see if I can capture some more trades. Okay, I shorted some more at 15.15 here. Things seem to be getting relatively bearish. So we'll look for another 10-cent move here to cover at 15.05. So we shall see what happens here with it. Well, now it's bouncing up, so maybe I can build a little bit bigger of a position. Let's see what happens here with it. I will keep you up. Well, let's see, we're getting a pullback here. Looks like it's stuck in a little range here, so if it drops back here to the lower portion of the range, I'll be all right. Seems to be some new support in there at 15.28. You can see there 15.28, pretty stubborn. All right, I will pause it and keep you posted. All right, I missed out on that one, but actually shorted a few more here just because of the overall context, and as my theory suspected, ended up rolling over here, and now looking at it, could have hindsight's really killing me now. So I could have had that much bigger of a score, but now up 216. Let's see if I can capture some more trades. Okay, just shorted some at 15.40. Not really acting like the way I wanted it to, so I'm just going to hop out there for a 4-cent move. I was looking for a little bit quicker, more of a kind of tidal wave of momentum, and that just didn't happen. So just decided to hop out for a 4-cent gain. So nothing huge, but you can see now it's starting to kind of bounce back up. So, you know, just wanted to, I didn't like the break. I wanted a little bit more, like I said, momentum, but didn't work out that way. So let's see if I can capture some more. Okay, sorry about that. A lot of these are just very quick ones. Shorted at 85.95, 300 shares, and then just covered for a quick 9 cents. Of course, hindsight is always making me look like an idiot, and I covered too soon, but you know that's what hindsight will do. So another $27. Looking for some shares here at 84.75. Let's see if it can drop down there. Well, I think that was the opportunity I wanted on this bounce here. And it did hit 84.75. However, I just did not get any shares. So bummer. Right here you can see went down and hit. Well, it looks like it might give me another chance, but gonna have to cancel that. That was the move that I wanted. So that's just how it goes sometimes. It literally hit 84.75. I just did not get any shares. Then you can see the bounce back up above 85 already. So that's just the way it goes. And I'm just not doing very well today. I picked some up at 84.95 and then just sold for a quick, man, hindsight is really tearing me up today. But I bought them at 84.95, 500, sold for a quick 9 cents. Literally happened in just, you can see here, bought at 58.44, sold 5 seconds later. So $45 in 5 seconds. I'll take that all day long. But of course now I could have had much more, but that is all hindsight. So what are we at? 9:59 a.m. up 308. So I'll take 300 bucks in the first half an hour. I'm going to try to capture one more trade here. Going for some shares here at 85.78. On the short side, I should say. See if it can get up there or not. Getting closer. Kind of stalling out a little bit right here. All right, I will pause it and let you know. Okay, going for some shares here short at 24. I'm just going to go for a quick little micro scalp here, just because you know, it seems like that area is acting as a level of resistance. So let's see what happens here with it. I have another order up there at 45. So I got those. So let's see what happens now with it. On this bounce is getting a little bit overextended, or at least, you know, that's my rationale behind it. I'd like to keep this video under 10 minutes, so I'm going to pause it and I will be back with any sort of updates. Okay, I'm looking to get some of my shares here covered at 45. So let's see if it can get down there to 45. You can see my order and sitting right there. So got some of them covered, 246. And of course, that's right where it seems to be trying to bottom out at. It just needs to break back down through 50 again. Maybe on this opportunity here we can get the remainder of those at, there we go, those are all filled. And now I am actually long. So I'll explain what happened here. So let's, at 86.17. I do like that entry point. So I'm going to let this try to work for me here. Well, now I'm getting a little too fancy for it. If I can get over there, I'm just going to try to hit the bin. I better. Well, so if I can get out there at 18. Nope. All right, well, it was a nice trade, and then all of a sudden, this has cost me. But like I said, I still do like the entry point, so I think it should at least be able to bounce up at least enough to get me make sure. Okay, no, what's that? That was an order from way back when. And this was just a matter of, I mean, the move happened so fast that I didn't have the time needed to make the proper adjustment. Well, I get to be able to get back above 86 here at least. All right, I'm just getting greedy at this point. Just if I can get out, I just want to get out. All right, there we go. So what it was at $35 loss. So what happened was I had an order to cover my one short at 86.17, but it was just kind of one of my older ones. But if you go back and rewind it, you can see that the price just pretty much the supercomputers took over for a second and just flushed the price right down. And before like I said, if you go back and watch it, before I even had time to come back and cancel this order, it had already filled me on the long side because all my shorts had been covered, but that order was still out there. So it then put me 500 long at 86.17, and I ended up, like I said, you just covered at 86.10. Hey, look, hindsight making me look foolish. I could have actually made some money on it, but by that point, I was happy with just taking with that breakdown, $35 loss. After I just made a very nice trade on the previous, which I did, and I just kind of shorted into this move here just because, again, overextended, and there was a rollback over that I was looking for, and it rolled back over very nicely. I actually probably covered too soon on some of my orders as it dropped back below 86. But nonetheless, I'm happy. Let's see, it's less, I guess about 45 minutes in, I'm up 468. So I'll take that. So I'm going to wrap things up. If you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, not necessarily learning how to trade like I am, looking to sell within a few seconds, but that's a great thing about charts, whether you're looking to sell within a few seconds, a few hours, a few days, they do work as they just simply measure emotion. I offer many training courses on that at claytrader.com, so check that out. Also have a private trading group where you can hang out with me and other traders in a chat room, and just stay on top of all the active stocks out there. Everything is real time, so very profitable environment, especially when you consider the cost. And then also, if you want everything access, lifetime, just the best bang for your buck, then check out Clay Trader University. That gives you access to all my training courses, lifetime membership to the trading group, live webinars, case study videos, all sorts of stuff. So check that out. I will be the first to admit, though, that I am biased. So go read some of the testimonials. Those are all third party, unsolicited, uncompensated. So those are actual thoughts from people. So at least check those out. Anyways, I wanted to keep it under 10, but hopefully, this last one was enjoyable to kind of see how a screw up happened. But it is what it is. That happens. And remember, trade without emotion. Let me know if you have any questions on any of my services. Have a good one.